I'm very glad to welcome you here at Duisburg-Essen, the meeting of the AURORA universities. It's 9 universities, 9 European universities, who are operating on questions of academic management, university development, the question of how to move towards a better future, better academic future, but also better social future.
AURORA is about sharing best practices, ideas, innovations, and making an impact.
AURORA offers a lot of exclusive opportunities for students to increase their mobility and to really make concrete change for education. More integration in how we have qualitative education for students and exchanging really best practices in students across different cultures, universities, and the best our universities have to offer.
For me, AURORA is international connection for topics that really matter.
AURORA is a really important network. It's very different to any other European networks because we're a small collection of universities that does real work together. And we are trying to make real change in areas of social inclusion in higher education, diversity in higher education, and also ensuring that we work cooperatively to do societally relevant research.
Our university has a main focus on differences. Our student body and our teaching body is very much different, and so we are proud of this, and so I think we have very much in common with AURORA universities. So we look into a bright future for AURORA.